The Lexus RCF Track Edition 2025 stands as a perfect blend of Japanese craftsmanship, raw performance, and track-ready precision. This car isn't just a luxury coupe. It's a statement from Lexus that performance and sophistication can coexist harmoniously. The RCF Track Edition represents the ultimate evolution of the RC lineup, combining cutting-edge engineering, lightweight construction, and motorsport-inspired design elements. With a limited production run, every RCF Track Edition feels exclusive and special, appealing to true enthusiasts who crave speed, control, and luxury all in one machine. Let's dive deep into every aspect of this stunning car, from its design and performance to its technology, comfort, and driving dynamics. At first glance, the exterior of the Lexus RCF Track Edition instantly commands attention. Its aggressive front fascia, dominated by the signature Lexus spindle grille, is flanked by sleek triple-beam LED headlights that provide a sharp, futuristic aesthetic. The front bumper and carbon fiber hood not only look striking, but also help reduce overall weight while enhancing aerodynamics. The body features a wide and low stance that hints at the car's power, and every curve has been meticulously crafted for optimal downforce and stability at high speeds. The carbon fiber roof and fixed rear wing are not just visual highlights. They play a significant role in improving the car's aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring better cornering performance and stability on the track. The lightweight 19-inch forged BBS wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires complete the aggressive look, while also reducing unsprung mass for more precise handling. Under the hood, the Lexus RCF Track Edition packs a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, a rare gem in today's era of turbocharged and hybridized powertrains. This engine delivers an exhilarating 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed Sport Direct Shift automatic transmission. The power delivery is linear and immediate, giving drivers the pure mechanical connection that only a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine can offer. The RCF Track Edition can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest and most powerful coupes in Lexus's history. The exhaust note is equally thrilling, with a deep, throaty growl that intensifies as the revs climb toward the red line. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the exhaust system to deliver a sound experience that perfectly matches the car's performance personality: loud, raw, and authentic. The handling of the RCF Track Edition is where this car truly comes alive. With its lighter overall weight, thanks to the extensive use of carbon fiber components and revised suspension tuning, the car feels nimble, balanced, and extremely responsive. Lexus fitted it with Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, which provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance, even during intense track sessions. The adaptive variable suspension system continuously adjusts damping force to suit the driving conditions, whether you're carving through corners or cruising on a highway. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures a pure, driver-focused experience, while the limited slip differential helps optimize traction and stability. The steering is sharp and precise, providing excellent feedback that allows the driver to feel every inch of the road. Whether on a smooth racetrack or a winding mountain road, the RCF Track Edition inspires confidence and excitement at every turn. Inside, the Lexus RCF Track Edition's cabin strikes the perfect balance between sportiness and luxury. The moment you open the door, you're greeted with a beautifully crafted interior that showcases Lexus's dedication to detail. The seats are made from lightweight leather and Alcantara materials designed to hold the driver and passenger firmly in place during spirited driving. The red leather and carbon fiber trim accents create a bold, racing-inspired atmosphere while still maintaining the brand's signature elegance. The steering wheel, wrapped in perforated leather with paddle shifters, feels premium and comfortable in hand. The digital instrument cluster, derived from the LFA Supercar, changes its display according to the driving mode: Normal, Sport S, Sport S Plus, and Track, giving you the right information at the right time. Every control, knob, and switch has been ergonomically placed to ensure maximum driver focus and convenience. In terms of technology, Lexus has packed the RCF Track Edition with the latest features to enhance both performance and comfort. The infotainment system includes a 10.3-inch high-resolution display compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The optional Mark Levinson 17-speaker premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience that rivals some home theater setups. The navigation system is intuitive, and the voice command functions are improved for smoother operation. Safety has not been compromised either. The RCF Track Edition comes with Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and automatic high beams. Even though it's a high-performance car, Lexus ensures that the driver and passengers remain safe and comfortable no matter the speed or conditions. The driving experience of the RCF Track Edition is pure exhilaration. Every press of the throttle delivers instant power, and the V8's response feels natural and connected. The transmission shifts are quick and smooth, especially in Sport S Plus mode, where gear changes become more aggressive for maximum performance. The car feels planted through corners, and the balance between power and control is near perfect. Despite its track-oriented nature, the RCF Track Edition doesn't punish its driver on regular roads. The adaptive suspension provides enough comfort for daily driving, making it surprisingly livable compared to other hardcore sports cars. It's a car that can take you from the racetrack to a luxury dinner outing without skipping a beat. The driving modes allow customization for different moods: eco for efficiency, normal for balance, and sport or track for pure excitement. When it comes to braking and stability, the RCF Track Edition sets a new standard for Lexus performance cars. The Brembo carbon ceramic brakes offer outstanding precision and endurance, ensuring that the car stops as confidently as it accelerates. The lightweight construction reduces body roll and enhances cornering speed. The engineers at Lexus work tirelessly to ensure every component, from the aerodynamics to the suspension geometry, works together harmoniously. The result is a car that feels as much at home on the Nürburgring as it does on a city boulevard. The stability control system can be fine-tuned or even turned off entirely, allowing experienced drivers to fully exploit the car's rear-wheel drive dynamics. Another highlight of the RCF Track Edition is its exclusivity. Lexus produces this model in limited numbers, making it a collector's piece for true enthusiasts. Each car is built with meticulous attention to detail, and the craftsmanship is evident in every stitch and panel. The carbon fiber elements are not just functional, they're also a testament to Lexus's growing expertise in advanced materials. This exclusivity means owning one isn't just about driving, it's about possessing a piece of Lexus performance history. The car's rarity ensures it holds long-term value, both financially and emotionally. Fuel efficiency isn't the RCF Track Edition's strongest point, but that's hardly the focus of a car like this. With an EPA rating around 16 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, the 5.0-liter V8 prioritizes power over economy. However, considering its performance potential and naturally aspirated setup, those numbers are quite respectable. The engine's reliability and Lexus's legendary durability also mean that this car isn't just fast, it's built to last. In conclusion, the Lexus RCF Track Edition 2025 is an exceptional achievement that captures the essence of what makes a performance car truly great. It offers breathtaking design, thrilling power, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort all in one stunning package. The car demonstrates Lexus's commitment to building not just reliable vehicles, but emotionally engaging machines that stir the soul. It's a car that combines old-school V8 excitement with modern engineering precision. While some competitors may be faster or more expensive, few can match the RCF Track Edition's unique character and blend of refinement and aggression. Whether you're on the racetrack pushing its limits or simply cruising through the city, this car makes you feel special every moment behind the wheel. For those who seek exclusivity, performance, and beauty in equal measure, the Lexus RCF Track Edition 2025 stands as one of the most complete high-performance coupes ever built, an icon that will continue to define the Lexus performance legacy for years to come.